Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's class is going to be very interesting. We are going to learn a different thing, new thing. So that you see the title of this today's lecture is that rounding the decimal number. So most of the time the students having problems to rounding the decimal numbers. So today in this lecture I'm going to make it very clear so that everyone will understand and it will be benefit to the students. So let's have a look. The first number is 0.354. So I wanted to keep the two-digit numbers after the decimal. So how right? So if I'm going to keep after the decimal, if I'm going to keep two-digit numbers, then you have to check the third numbers. So we have to take the third number. So if it is less than 5, if it is more than 5 or more than 5, then only we have to add 1 here. Otherwise, no need to add 1. So if this is the check third number, because we are going to keep the after decimal 2 digit, so check the third one. So that is less than 5. So if I rounded it, it will be 0.35. All right, is it clear? Okay, now check the second case, 0.356. So here I wanted to keep after decimal 2 digit. So we have to check the third number, third digit. So since we are going to keep the 2-digit number, so check the third one. Since it is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 here. So it will become 0.36. If we add up 1 here, then it will become 6. So now in the case number C, 0.5429. Suppose here I wanted to keep 3 digit, 3 after the decimal 3 digit. Then check the fourth one. Check the fourth one. This is greater than 5. Then you have to add 1 here. So it will be, if you round it, it will be give you 543. Now check the last one. Suppose here also I wanted to keep after decimal 2 digit. So this is the decimal after decimal 2 digit where I am going to keep. So how can we write 0.6? Then if we're going to keep the 2 digit, then you have to check the third one. If it is equal to or more than 5, then you have to add 1 here. Since it is equal to 5, then add 1 here. So it will be 0.63. So in that way you can round it the decimals number. So let us check another example. Let us check another examples. Let's see. I'll take some different one. So if I take another example, 10 upon 3. If we divide it by 10 by 3, then it will be give you 3.33. This is non-terminating but repeating. So in that case, if you wanted to keep after decimal 1 digit, so it will be 3.3. After decimal 1 digit, then you have to check this one. So it is less than 5, so you have to keep it as it is. After decimal 2 digits, so it will be after decimal 33. Since all the numbers are less than 5, so you cannot add 1 in the previous number. So if you wanted to keep 3 digits, so it will be like that. But if I take another one, f, the example is f, that will be 20 divided by 3. This is our rational number, so it will give you 6.66666, non-terminating but repeating, right? But repeating. So it is a rational number. So if we wanted to keep after decimal 1 digit, so it will be 6. So you have to check this one. So it is greater than 5, so you have to add 1 here. So it will be 6.7. If you wanted to keep 2 digit after decimal, then 1 6, another 1 is 7. You have to check this one. If you wanted to keep 3 digit after the decimal, the 6.667. So in that way we can write. I hope now your doubt is clear. You can easily round up the decimals number. I hope it's clear. If you have still doubt, you can write me in my comment box. I'll be there to explain you. Thank you for watching.